Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. In this video, we're going to do a tutorial on how to read the codes on your service engine Soonlight. We're going to get it to that mode where you can read the codes, and you're going to read the codes depending on the way it blinks. So first of all, we're going to have to get into that mode. To get into that mode, the car has to be off to begin with. What you're going to do next is you're going to turn the car on without turning the engine on. All right, on means all the lights on the dash are on, but your engine is not running. All right, at that point you're going to count 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. All right, 3 seconds. You're going to put your foot on the accelerator, and what you're going to do is you're going to pump it 5 times within 5 seconds. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. At that point, you're going to take your foot off the accelerator, wait 7 seconds, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, and then you're going to put your foot on the accelerator and keep it there for anywhere from 10 to 15 seconds. All right, I'm going to do it with you guys right now. All right, the car is now on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Foot on the accelerator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. At which point your service engine Soonlight should start blinking. All right. So we're gonna get to the next part of reading the codes. It's gonna blink at different speeds. Hey guys, welcome to the second part of this video. Hopefully you guys got to this second part and it worked out getting into the mode to read the error code. So basically, if you got to this point, what's going to happen is there's going to be obviously there's going to be blinking. Your service engine Soonlight's going to be blinking, and it's going to be blinking at different speeds. All right, so you guys going to have to read it from the number of blinks, the pause, and the number of blinks, and it's going to be a little bit. You're going to have to get used to reading it, because it took me a couple of tries to get to that point where I was able to read the codes exactly. So basically the way this works is there's going to be a P. On every single one of these codes are going to start out with a P. So if you guys want to, keep that in your head, it starts with a P, and then it's going to, the first couple of blinks going to be slow. It's going to be the slowest. There's going to be a pause. All right. And it's going to blink, whatever the numbers are, it's going to pause, and it's going to do that for 4 numbers or letter. All right. Basically, if it blinks 10 times, it's a 0. All right. If it blinks 11 times, it's an A. All right, it's a letter. It's an A. All right, if it blinks 11 times, it's an A. If it blinks 10 times, it's a 0. Any number of blinks from 1 to 9 is 1 to 9. So let's do it with this sample that I have up. All right. So if you guys are looking at this right now, it's all right. You're gonna have a P. You're gonna start out with a P. Every single one of these codes start out with a P. All right, the first 2 blinks are going to be the slowest blinks. In this example, it blinked 2 times, 1, 2, and then there's going to be a longer, a pause, and then it'll blink 11 times, and then there's going to be a pause. It's going to blink 10 times. There's going to be another pause, and it's going to blink 10 times. So the code reads P, 2 for the first 2 blinks. A, because there's 11 blinks. After that, it's going to be 10, which is a 0, 10, which is a 0. So let's do this. All right, look at it again. So it's P, and then it's going to blink 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, which is the letter A. All right, pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is a 0. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is another 0. So it's P2A 0, 0. So I'm only using this example because this is the code that I had up. If you guys look, this is the code that came up on my OBD2 reader. So basically, most of the codes are not going to have a letter. Most of the codes are going to have a P and then 4 numbers. All right, this is one of the rare codes that has an A, which is a letter. So normally, if you have any other codes outside this code, it's going to be P and 4 numbers. All right, so in this instance, PA200, it reads on the OBD2 sensor as a, I believe, I'm not looking at it right now, but I believe it says oxygen sensor error leak or whatever. But if you guys are getting this code, and this is one of the most common codes that's out there, you know, if you guys want to go to the gas cap, tighten it up, and then, you know, reset the code. If it comes back, it means that, you know, it is what it states on there, but most of the time it's your gas cap that's not tightened up. That's why that code comes up. But outside that code, if you guys get any other code, then, you know, you're going to have your car, you know, checked out or do some work on your car depending on what the codes are. But with this code right here that's coming up, you know, just, you know, the first thing you should do is to tighten your gas cap, turn off the car, turn off your gas cap, reset the code. If it doesn't, you know, the service engine light doesn't come back on, that means that, you know, that was the issue that was causing the service engine light to pop up. However, if this is not, you know, if your service engine soon light stays on after you tighten it and cleared it, that pretty much means that it's the issue that's on, you know, it's the issue that's what the code, you know, what the code is. All right, guys. So, like I said, it's gonna take a little bit of time to figure out actually, you know, how to read it. You know, you might have to, you know, do it a couple of times. But if it doesn't work out for you, what you guys could do is you guys could get an OBD2 reader. They sell it for like $19, you know, at Walmart. They sell it for around that price on eBay, Amazon. Or if you guys, you know, you guys can drive to AutoZone or Advanced Auto, any other parts stores that does any of these simple service engine soon light diagnostics. You guys can get them to check it out for free. All right, guys, so this is the third part of the video. All right, we're gonna clear the service engine soon light from your dash and from the car's computer. What we're gonna do is we are going to put you're gonna put your foot on the pedal, on the accelerator pedal, and count to 10. Count 10 seconds. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, all the way up to 10 seconds. Once you do that, take your foot off the accelerator pedal, turn the car off, and then turn the car back on again. At that point, the service engine soon light should be cleared from your dash, and the code should be cleared from the computer. However, just want to let you guys know that even if you guys cleared it from the computer, if you guys didn't get the issue fixed, if there was an issue there to begin with, if you guys did not get the issue fixed, for example, if there was an O2 sensor that set it off, if you didn't change that out and get that fixed, what's going to happen is your car is going to go through a drive cycle. if you guys don't know what a drive cycle is, pretty much the drive cycle is anywhere from 20 to 40 miles, sometimes higher. What it is it's the car's computer pretty much going through pretty much every sensor in the car, depending on how you're driving. And normally that would take 20 to 40 miles for the computer to go through the whole entire drive cycle. But once it hits that sensor that has the issue that wasn't fixed, what's going to happen is your service engine soon light is going to come back on again. And when it comes back on again, you're going to have to go through the whole entire process of clearing it again. You know, the best thing to do when this issue comes up, as far as the service engine soon light is concerned, is to try to fix the issue, or you know, or to fix the issue. Try to fix the issue, because even if you clear the service engine soon light, and regardless of what you're doing it for, most people normally are looking for ways to clear the service engine soon light because of inspection, or the car is driving kind of strange, or driving with issues. But a lot of times in these situations, a lot of people are actually you know, they have inspection coming up, and they're hoping to clear the service engine soon light, clear the code from the computer so that it can pass inspection. However, that's probably not gonna work. Reason being is that one of the reasons for that not working is the drive cycle. Normally, to pass inspection, if you guys watch any of my other videos on passing car inspection, I actually did a bunch of videos where I actually tried to, you know, get it past inspection by, normally if you take your car to inspection, when they put the OBD2 scanner to scan your car's computer, you have to have at least, you know, most of the codes, most of the sensors, the monitors, most of the monitors, the drive cycle had to have passed through most of the monitors, and you could probably pass with an exception, maybe one monitor, sometimes two, but most of the time you might have an exception, just one single monitor that hasn't passed. So you might be able to pass inspection with 6 out of the 7 or 7 out of the 8 monitors. You know, the car haven't gone through all those monitors, but it's very, very difficult to do. So the best thing to do about it, as far as fixing the issue, is to get the issue fixed. But I hope this video has helped you guys out. If you guys have any you know, questions, please leave your questions on the comment section, and please give me a thumbs up, and also please subscribe. Also check out my other videos, particularly videos on you know, service engine soon lights, and how to pass inspection, and all those other videos. All right, guys, take care.